Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. This is a 24-hour facial cream of hydration, and that is paraben free. That is what they say. So looking at Sephora's website, so I didn't know Kiehls was on Sephora. I'm shocked. Sand and Sky can't stay on Sephora, but Kiehls is just killing it on Sephora. Come through. So 1.7 ounces of this ultra facial cream is $32. And 0.9 ounces of this facial cream is $22. Why are you charging us $10 more for 1.7 ounces? That is ludicrous to me. Let's just see how much the 4.2 ounce one. $53. Kiehls, come on now. Why the 0.95 ounce one should have been $15, and then you should have went up $35 for the 1.7 ounces. These prices are ludicrous to me. Anyways, I'm not even about to go there with prices because this could be a long rant. Let's go ahead and try this ultra facial cream. But before we do that, I am going to go ahead and swatch the product. Oh, y'all, I'm not going to be using a lot because I got a little left and I want it to last until I get my order in. But this is what it looks like. It's a little lightweight, a little sheer. Let me turn the light down so you guys can see it. There you go. What do you guys think? It's a little sheer. Okay, let's put it on our face. Okay, so there's no scent to it at all. This is actually my second sample. I had two samples of this. I can't remember where I got the first sample from. This is my second sample. So I said, okay, well, I got two, last me 2 weeks, and I went ahead and bought a jar of it. Yeah, so, you know. Anyways, you guys, Kiehls should really consider selling at Walmart. I just don't understand Walmart. Why you won't put Kiehls in there? Who owns Kiehls? Can someone let me know who owns Kiehls? Because I really want to know, because Kiehls is out here killing it. That avocado mask was botched, but I like the majority of their products. Now, I will say, when you put this cream on your face, it goes on like a water gel. So even if you use a lot, it's not going to be greasy. It won't take forever to rub it in. But I will say it goes on so silky, so smooth. Oh my god, you guys, it's just, I just love this cream so much. You guys just don't understand. My skin just absorbs it like butter. Anyways, you guys, let me go ahead and do a close-up. This is what my skin looks like. Oh my god, it feels so soft. Ooh, look, bam, bam, bam. I am ready for Vogue. What's her name? I was about to say Susan Wojcicki. That's the YouTube lady. Oh, she about to demonetize this video. What is the Vogue ladies? Anna Wintour. Honey, I am ready. Hey. Anyways, you guys, so I am going to let this cream settle down just a little bit, and then we'll be back to talk about it. I'll let it dry down for like 10 or 15 minutes and then we could talk about it. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and my face has dried down a lot, like a lot. What do you guys think? Kiehls, I'm gonna do a close-up for y'all. So here is my cheek. Here is my other cheek. What do you guys think? Here's my chin. Here is my forehead. Let me turn the light down. There's a lot to say. A lot, and let's talk about it. There is a lot to talk about with this Kiehls Ultra Hydration Facial Cream. Side note, can we just sidetrack for a bit? Y'all, if you new to this channel, this is what we do here. But for those who aren't new and you I just want to say this. I'll probably reiterate this in new videos going forward. But why is the clean beauty skincare community fighting with the science-based skincare community? All these communities on YouTube have drama. So let's talk about the Kiehls Ultra Facial Hydration Cream. Is it a 24-hour cream? Personally, in my opinion, no. I've had this cream dry down on me in about 4 hours. When you first apply this onto your skin, it's going to dry down a lot in an hour, and you may need to reapply it throughout your day. I don't think it's a wonderful nighttime moisturizer if you are looking for something heavy duty. However, if you have oily skin, you have combination skin, you have normal skin, you will really enjoy this cream. However, if you have dry skin, you may not feel this cream is the hydration you need. If you have dry skin, this cream is going to dry down in the less time that I mentioned for you. If you have dry skin, this moisturizer for dry skin, to me personally, leans on a water cream. So if you are a type of person who's not really into water creams, you don't like the way water creams feel, you don't like how water creams dry down, you don't like the way water creams don't leave enough hydration on your skin and they don't protect your moisture barrier, then you may not enjoy this cream. If you're looking for something that is going to protect your moisture barrier and overall aid in keeping your moisture barrier intact, this is not the cream you're looking for. However, if you're looking for an all year around cream, I really think you are going to like this cream. I think it's wonderful for summer because it gives you that dewy look, that hydrated look, that glowy look without being sweaty. In the springtime, I think it's going to be wonderful for those days where, you know, the weather is not too cold, it's not too hot, it's just right, and you could just wear a good cream. And you may not mind a cream drying down in less than 4 hours, and you may not care to reapply it in the springtime. This would be the perfect cream for that. I also like the fact that this cream doesn't leave any texture to your skin. It leaves your skin nice and smooth without being very heavy. So when they say lightweight, this is a very lightweight, a very silky cream. If you're not into the silky feeling of creams, this may not be the cream for you. I do want to say this, because they say this cream is an ultra facial hydration cream. If you are someone who really enjoys drugstore products, this may not be the type of cream you want to go into as a beginner of getting into non-drugstore creams, because you may feel it will break you out. That goes for people who only use drugstore. I don't know what it is. Some of these skincare brands, makeup brands as well, are by the same companies, high-end drugstore. But it is something when you use drugstore and then you go to higher-end skincare brands, it breaks your skin out. I don't know, when I first got into using non-drugstore skincare, this was a long time ago, but my skin started to break out and I was shocked. But you know, you got to get your skin prepared for the good stuff. I don't know how, but this is not one of the brand. This cream specifically, I don't want to say the brand, this is about the product. This cream specifically, because Kiehls has really great products that will help introduce your skin into non-drugstore products, but this product specifically, in my opinion, is not perfect for people who are looking to try higher end skincare. This product may break you out and it may put you off and make you want to go back to using skincare that is drugstore. So I suggest you start with something totally different than this product. It may be on the cheaper side compared to other non-drugstore brands, but I don't think this is the product you want to start with. Start off with some Ole Henriksen. That's a great beginner in creams. I'm gonna have a list of that for you guys. I love the silky feeling it gives without being over silky, meaning you don't get that coating at the end of the day that feels sort of like dirty or sticky or your face is peeling. It doesn't give you that type of feeling at the end of the day with the silky feel. When creams feel overly silky, they give you this powdery corn, like almost starchy feeling off your face at the end of the day. And even though this feels sticky, it doesn't give me that feeling at the end of the day, and that's why I enjoy this cream. You guys already know, I already told you I will be purchasing this cream again. I have this cream ready to go. I bought the 0.95 ounce one. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I just not gonna lie, I bought it. The $22 one, y'all see me complaining, but I bought the $22 one. I couldn't commit to the 1.7 ounce one yet, just not yet, because I'm always testing creams, so I didn't want to give in just yet. So I am so excited to get it. Anyways, you guys, those are just my thoughts on this cream. I also want to urge you guys, if you have any allergens or irritants to certain ingredients, please make sure you look on the back of the product before you do try it, just to make sure there's nothing in there to irritate your skin. With that being said, what am I going to give Kiehl's Ultra Facial Hydration Cream? I am going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. It would have got a 5, but I feel $32 for 1.7 ounces makes me mad, because Kiehl's, why is 0.95 ounces 22? I'm just mad at that price tag. You could at least add it 2 ounces, maybe even 2.5 ounces for $35. Not 1.7. Kiehl's. What is going on? This is what cracks me up. They actually gonna fill it up to 1.7. They won't even give you a little bit more. So you literally gotta scrape the jar just to get 1.7 ounces out of that jar. With that being said, you guys, let me know, do you love this cream? What are your thoughts? I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. With that being said, I'll see you in our next video. I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.